If you have any questions about the instructions in this video or are not comfortable performing the maintenance demonstrated, contact Whirlpool Customer Service or an authorized Whirlpool service technician. Another noise concern could be coming from the back of your refrigerator near where the condenser fan is. Unplug your refrigerator and then pull it from the back of the wall. Make sure that you have enough space to work in, and you're going to remove the cardboard panel in the back, and you're going to observe the area back here to make sure that there isn't any debris causing this fan to not rotate. Once you've cleared any of the debris away, you're going to reverse the process. You're going to put this back on, and then you're going to plug it back in and resume normal operations. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.